The Forsaken. I don't actually know what this means. Stop being hiding. In fact, here. Oh gee. Oh, okay, you're dead. Right. You know what? Shell Game Guy can go second. I've spent way too much time on Shell Game Guy. Give me your collectibles. Give me your not shooting brimstone at me. Ow. Nope, 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 no, 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 no. Sir, 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 sir. Ah, you friggin' butt munch. I'll do it. I'll take it. Not gonna lie, I still have zero idea how Cambion Conception is supposed to work, especially considering I don't seem to actually be doing anything with it. Was I supposed to have unlocked it? Maybe I haven't unlocked it yet. I don't know. It's kind of stupid. Actually, I'm gonna look that up. As soon as I remember where it is on this page. Ah, yes, I have to unlock it. Okay. Oh. What? Speed is not key, game. Speed is rude, actually. Sure, as in probable. Ow. Okay, game. I'm gonna need you to not have all those scattered literally everywhere. Let's go find the next item room. Give me that. Because, you know, I definitely need more, bombs. That. Okay, okay. Stop. There we go. Jeez. Out of bombs, I can guess whatever the heck I please. Not gonna lie, I could actually use a couple more, well, first off, these guys need to stop having blockers. Second off, I need to not die. Okay, sir, stop having a blocker. I am dying. This is stupid. Okay. You know what? No. Don't run away! Jeez. Money! Thanks for the half of a heart game. That sure is helpful. You know what would be a useful trinket right about now? A rock. That rock trinket would be super useful right about now. And bomb. Boop. No? Okay. Bomb? Yeah! A key beggar! You know what? Might as well. I'll save like one key. Okay, sir. There you go. A box! Filled with spiders. A box! Filled with bombs. You blew yourself up at that point. I hate when they do that too, like so many beggars. So many like the beggars, the shell game, so many things blow themselves up. Like, at that point, it's your fault, man. At that point, you're inconveniencing me, because I was going to probably maybe not blow you up for a change. I could use some help. I just realized I need to not be getting hit. At all. Anymore. No more getting hit for me. What's in here? Okay. Wait. 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 I shoot the bomb. It explodes, spawning a bomb that explodes. What? Well, okay. I have infinite bombs now. Next time I see a bombs are key item, I'm using it. Also, I could use some help. I swear to God, if this is great. Oh. Frick! That was such a good run. I can't take Dr. Fetus without having... Oh, I hate rooms like that. This is a fresh run. I can start next to an item room. That was such a good run, and it got killed because Dr. Fetus made me hesitate. Yeah, I am a bouncing sword. What is this? The gamepad. No! Good try, game. Good try. Don't give me a freaking use item. Okay, starts me with the... Let's start with Dr. Fetus. Teeny tiny fetus bombs. They're so teeny. They're so tiny. Why are they so tiny? That's so silly. Why are they so tiny? Do that. This. That. Tears up. Yes, because that's safe. Did you not see the pretty bombs? That's Mr. Doctor to you, Mr. Doctor. A stick! Don't care about the stick. What's in this direction? A dime. Also not a key. Surprisingly. Not gonna lie, I kinda would've expected a key. What's this way? Is it the shop? It's the shop. That's a use item, isn't it? The blue plunger is a use item, isn't it? Yes, it is! It is terrible. It is terrible. I am hatred. I'm gonna go with I'm hatred. Whatever, I'll just save it for the next floor. Dr. Fetus is good to start with, because it trains you to not die immediately. I have the chariot. You know what I should do with that? I should use that on the boss. Bars!
Hi, I'm here, by the way.
Oh, hi. Are you watching the Strimbles? Oh Jesus! Bouncing lasers.
Oh geez, that sounds pretty bad. But
It was
yeah, I'm here.
terrifying.
I just wanted to say that I'm in before Joe, for one, so eat it, Joe. And two, no, I'm kidding. I don't mean it that way.
Well, first off, if you said it that way, you missed like, let's see, you've missed like 15 minutes of joke.
Well, I mean, I'm here in the call before Joe is.
Oh, I haven't
That's
invited Joe to this room. I should do that at some point.
Probably. I just wanted to voice one thing that I thought would be good for this game. Just an item that makes you immune to bomb explosions that you cause.
You do realize there's an item like that, right?
Really?
It's called Pyromaniac.
That would make me think that would be fire related, but okay.
So here's how it works. Pyromaniac is even better than the item effect that you just described.
Okay. Do you heal from bombs?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Not only that,
wait, what?
You heal from any explosion.
Is there a downside to it? 'Cause that's a pretty good upside.
No, it's an item.
Jeez.
There is no downside. In fact,
so troll bombs actually are like kisses now. Awesome.
troll bombs heal you. You know what? You want to know what the other part though is? It's that all explosions heal you. Not everything more than just bombs count as explosions.
Oh, like those green shots that like.
Main example of something that seems like it wouldn't count as explosion, but does. Mom's stomp.
That's an explosion?
It counts as an explosion for the purposes of both doing more damage to you, because explosions normally do, a full heart of damage, and for Pyromaniacs healing you. If I find a Pyromaniac on this run, I'm going to spam the ever-loving crap out of bombs.
Dude.
As for right now,
do you heal from your own bombs though?
You always heal from your own bombs with Pyromaniac.
Dude, that sounds so broken. I want to get the seed to that right now. Just Pyromania on the first floor.
You know what's gonna be kind of stupid right now?
What?
I just picked up Strange Attractor.
Strange Attractor?
It's that thing that magnetizes enemies to your tears.
Wait, so enemies go towards your tears, or your tears go towards enemies?
Your enemies go towards your tears.
Ah, that's weird.
Which can work doubly with homing to say that they both attract to each other.
Oh, like two planets in the rift of space. These guys are not going to like jump into the bombs. Also, you got a battery, and I have no idea what your use item is.
My use item is the Box of Friends. Do you know how Lilith works?
I think I read that at some point. Like, you can just summon a familiar or something?
The Box of Friends doubles all current familiars.
For the room?
For just the room.
Okay, yeah. And if you don't have any familiars, it just sort of summons one.
I don't actually know what it does if you don't have any familiars.
It summons, I think, the Demon Baby for one room.
It might be... I don't know.
I read the Demon Baby, I'm pretty sure.
Okay. The point being is that Lilith starts blindfolded with the Incubus.
Oh boy.
In other words, she starts with normal tears, but only through a familiar. Ooh, lucky penny. Nice.
Hi. I remembered my key for push to talk.
Hello.
Anyway, I had a thought.
I was wondering why you weren't saying anything, Joe.
Yeah, jeez, dude.
Anyway, I had a thought.
That's dangerous.
Pyromania should make you regain health from piles of dung, because clearly someone had explosive diarrhea down here.
I need a better symbol. The only symbol I have is like a metal bowl, and that doesn't make a really good
Spider Mod.
noise.
Spider Mod's one of my favorite items. Just as a note, Spider Mod is one of my favorite items, and you're going to see why when I start fighting this boss. In like
what does it
seconds.
do?
I'm not going to tell you, I'm going to show you.
Oh, you're gonna be like